about how can you fix this problem on your Max app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you click here on settings, it's going to show for you like this here. So it's going to show for you list like this here, and you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Max app, or just click here on search, then here add Max app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, click on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down here, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search here for Max app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.